Tiran again with Anytime Fitness here in Katy, and we're on the corner of Pin Oak and Kingsland near the Katy Mills Mall. And today we are back with our Wednesday weight training tip for you. And today we're going to continue a little bit on the part about curls. Now, if you remember from a previous video where I stood against the wall and I showed you how you can isolate your bicep using dumbbells and using a wall, what we're going to do now is share with you one of our other favorite places to be able to do curls, which is on what's called a preacher curl bench. Now, a preacher curl bench, where it gets its name, well, you might have to research that. But what I want to share with you is this particular bench is set up in such a way that you have a seat, you sit down, you then come over the top of it like this to where your elbows are positioned in this manner. And then here you have the great effect of being able to isolate your bicep because of this bench and the way the angle is. All right. So when you grab a bar or even a dumbbell, when you do curl it, there's no way for my arms to move in such a manner where I can use momentum in any way to influence or help the movement. And so in this case, I've got this bar here and it's got a decent amount of weight on it. And if I want to go ahead and pick it up, do it in this manner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come down, completely isolating my bicep, and then back up. Just repeating this motion is a fantastic way to build your biceps. Now, just rack it again, and if you do this, let's say for 3 sets, maybe 10 to 12 reps with a decent amount of weight, to where when you get to that, let's say that 7th, 8th, or 9th rep, to that final 10th rep, that you feel like, oh, I'm barely able to move it, there you've got the right amount of weight. So there's your Wednesday weight training tip, and we will see you again very soon in here in the best club in all of Southeast Texas. See you next week, not sooner. Bye-bye. Hashtag Weight Training Wednesday.